here at Destec Engineering, and you know me being a female, we don't see that many females on the shop floor, so I always like to grab a female and get them on camera when we can. This is Ellie. Ellie, tell me about what you're doing here at Destec Engineering.
Well, I'm starting my apprenticeship here at Destec. I've been here for about a year, maybe 2 years now, and I've been learning how to do mechanical engineering and machining and fitting.
I know, it's a nice wide variety. What do you enjoy about the world of engineering?
Just the fact that you can create whatever you necessarily need, as well as like for the parts and products you're creating, as well as the tools.
And so what is the scope that you're looking at? What is a day in the life of Ellie here at Destec?
Oh, a lot of taking machines apart and cleaning them down and refurbing them. And then every now and then going on like the mills or the lathes and turning material to create a new product.
So are you working on these machines as well?
Yes.
Wow, this is incredible. So I've seen you working down at the bottom here. What is the scope for you here, Ellie? What are your predictions for yourself in the future here at Destec?
Well, I'll probably be working here for a long time because I want to help my granddad keep the company going and making sure it profits well.
So you're seeing the company from a business perspective and also getting essentially your hands dirty at the same time.
Oh, yes.
That's a great perspective. Now, I'm seeing a lot of parts around this machine shop. There's a huge scope of work for you. Does that help you when you're looking at your future?
Yeah, because it helps us to know what we actually work with in the industry, because a lot of our parts, for instance, go to subsea.
Yes.
So they have to go underneath the ocean and be able to withstand the pressures of the water, as well as know what the materials that we're putting into them are.
So what's your favourite part? What are you finding you're learning about the most here?
Probably just mainly machining, but actually being able to like make a new part that looks really good with the being made out of metal, it's all reflective and shiny, and also of the sturdiness as well behind them all.
And my last question to you, females, women in engineering, are we doing it right or wrong?
I would say that when it comes to women, a lot of the time they don't like the dirty and the gritty stuff, but if you can get past it, it seems to be all right. Because I've seen like my sister, for instance, she works here as well, and she seems to be fine with it.
So you're saying every day is different for you?
Oh, yes.
Oh, good luck to you and your sister here at Destec in the future, Ellie.
Yes, thank you.